What's up, guys? If you want the best Helium 10 coupon code, the link in my description already has the biggest discount loaded at checkout, so you don't waste time trying codes that no longer work. There are two ways to save. The first is the upfront discount. Use code TutorialStack20 and you get 20% off your first 6 months. This is best if you want the lowest price while you test Helium 10 and get your Amazon business set up. The second option is the lifetime discount. Use code TutorialStack10 and you get 10% off every month for as long as you stay subscribed. This is better if you already know you'll use Helium 10 long term, because the savings never expire. For example, Platinum is normally $129 per month, but with TutorialStack20, it drops to about $103 per month for your first 6 months. Diamond is normally $359 per month, and the same code brings it down to around $287 per month. Both codes work on Platinum and Diamond, so just choose between bigger upfront savings or smaller lifetime savings. For most sellers, I recommend Platinum. It gives you tools like Blackbox for product research, Cerebro and Magnet for keyword research, and the AI listing builder to help create optimized Amazon listings faster. Diamond is better if you're already scaling and need more advanced tracking and advertising tools. So click the link in my description. Choose Platinum if you're starting, or Diamond if you're scaling. Then use TutorialStack20 for the biggest upfront discount, or TutorialStack10 for lifetime savings. These deals can change at any time, so lock yours in today. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.